How to change the order of your posts? Well, if you want to change the order of your post, you just need to change the dates of your posts. As you can see, Beamer orders your posts from newest to oldest. That means that the newest go on top and the older go at the bottom. So, if you want to change the order of your post, you have two ways to do it. First, you can pin some posts. You can highlight one post and put it at the top of your widget, even if the date is not the newest date. For example, we can pin this one by clicking on the star at the top right corner. But what if you want to change the order from more than one post? Well, you can just change the date. You can click on the edit icon at the top right corner of the post you want to change the order to. And then you can change this date. For example, I can change it for an early date, the earlier than other posts, and save and accept. And as you can see here, that post went down the line at the beginning of my feed. This is the oldest post here, so it's the last one in the list. And that's it, as easy as that.